durag have a big old hole in it, you see me? Up at the top there, so. So, you know them thing there? Yeah, them.
I saw them thing like I was telling you.
Vlog, what go on? Long time in a soon, long time in a chat too, no. Big up all the people them with up on the vlog channel. Still I deal with them type of nice there and them things. Split in the mix. Yo, I'm swag it out. See it there? It gets swag out. Last year in June, right? 2019, we did decide to go up on this little weight loss thing. According to the height weight chart thing that them have on Google, I'm supposed to be between like 170, maybe like 175, 195. My height, I'm supposed to be within the weight range there. But instead, I did weigh like 25 pounds over. So I did like 220. Jeez. And you know the regular way how people put on weight, you know what I mean? I was not as active as I used to be. I never did play a whole heap of basketball. And plus, I did eat a whole heap of food. Not necessarily junk food, a junk food. Well, I can't blame me. Fast food tastes good. Fast food nice. But anyway, I start feel like kind of sluggish and lazy and I never feel as, you know, upbeat and energetic as I would like to feel. So I say, alright, you know, I just go upon this little weight loss thing. Work out for about 3 months. Well, I'm not going to see the workout them when we do, but I'm nothing too... The average person probably can do it. So, I never go too hard. And then we decide to eat better and more comfortable. When I say more comfortable, I mean not straying away from the foods that I love, but managing the proportion. We start to drink a whole heap of water, and I decide to say, okay, let's see what happens. How close can I get to the 195 pound goal? Of course, if I can go lower than that, then that would be great, but I really want to reach like 195. I have a notebook where I kind of write down the things that I ate, what kind of workout I do, how long I work out for, just to kind of, you know, track my progress and, you know, use it as motivation. The first thing we do is stop drink juice. So juice, drink, anything was sweet, but they kind of put it down. The only thing when me drink sweet at the time was my tea. And in my tea, when I did regular, I used to put 2 tablespoons of sugar in them. I cut it down to just 1. And when I replace drinking juice with just a whole heap of water. They say you're supposed to drink 7 glasses of water per day. I kind of check it out. Them said that I not really how you're supposed to drink water. You're supposed to drink the water according to your body weight. Because if you take somebody who is very much more bulky, Corona! If you take somebody who is much more bigger than I am, 7 glasses of water, a joke thing. So you're supposed to drink amount of water that is related to your body weight. You know, proportionate to your body weight. If you want to find out how to do that, you can Google it, and then we'll tell you the calculations of how you're supposed to do it. But they cut out the sugar thing because when they read somewhere say sugar tells your body to store fat. So if I not take in as much sugar, it not tell my body to store fat, which means I will be burning up the fat in the fat reserves, right? Makes sense. That I just have basically my own understanding. I started eating a lot more vegetables, namely like tomato, lettuce, cucumber, broccoli, carrot, corn, cabbage, pak choy. I ate less bread and them thing there. So when we would have go for like 4 slices of bread, I cut it down to 2. Sometimes we would have only have like 1. And we would have eat more protein. So I was eating like 4 eggs, 4 boiled eggs. So when we wake up in the morning, I eat like 4 boiled eggs, a slice of bread, probably, and a brown bread too. We do like honey wheat bread. So the one that I kind of stick to. Oats bread occasionally. I eat pasta instead of rice. I don't too like rice. I only like a special type of rice, basmati rice. I don't like the rice where they have a Jamaica here, like where they sell in a shop or supermarket. It come like some joke rice to me. But you know, basmati rice sell at supermarket, but if you want them thing, they have to pay more, you see me? But I don't want the regular rice. It tastes, it will make you hate rice. But would I eat pasta and then would I have like 3/4 cups of dry pasta, and that will work out to be a decent proportion. And in terms of meat now, I would only eat chicken, baked chicken like that. I'm gonna make my own jerk. What you call it, jerk seasoning. I blend up my own jerk seasoning and put it on the chicken, put it in the oven. And that would I eat. Mostly chicken breast though. And if I eat chicken outside of baking it, I would kind of chop it up in some nice little cubes. Drop a little bit of oil in a pot, just so it not stick. Then put the chicken in there, season it up, and then whip that round. Put some pasta on it. Mad. Of course, you know me have to eat 3 times a day. But as me say, managing the proportions was what? You know, keep the thing intact. So for example, for breakfast, we would have like 2 boiled eggs. So there, a slice of brown bread. Lunch would be 1 bowl of cooked oats. Same 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. And me jiggy. If you want it to taste better, you put in little cinnamon or vanilla. And for dinner, it would be like vegetables, baked chicken, and or pasta. More vegetables, decent amount of protein, little bit of carbohydrates. In terms of the exercises that I was doing now, you know, push-ups, sit-ups. But me start out with the running / walking. I would do that for about like 30 minutes to an hour, not run the entire time like 30 minutes straight. Because I have to start get my body used to it. So, you know, run for as long as you can. Feel like you want to take a break, you take a break. See, look, a workout journey I go on and just do 16 laps. Proud of myself because I run 9 out of that straight. The weeks before I did I run half. So run half, then walk half. But I don't walk like run, walk. I do 1 walk, 4 run. Then we walk, then we run, and do that until it's done. I think. And no, the 2 walk after that. And that's like a tip. I don't really tip because you're out there already, you know what I mean? If you're a person that like to run with music. As me did I say, I understand why people run with music. At first, I couldn't bother with the load and as in like the whole headphone and swing on them suddenly. That's why I didn't really do it. But I take you up this morning and I run 9 laps. What I do, I change the tempo of the music. So I put it to a 1 point, make it play at 1.5 times faster. Put in a little vibe and try. And I won't regret it, it will give you a nice little boost. Running with music, it make the running much easier. When I did a run without the music, I could hear myself, I breathe. Hearing myself breathe hard. You start thinking in my head, say, yo, I'm tired. And then your brain start telling your body, say, if you slow down or stop running because you're tired. Now running with the music, I now hear myself, I breathe, you know? So, my brain now tell my body, say, I'm tired. So that way then I could have run for like a longer period of time without the tired really taking me off track. I don't know if I that maybe say right this one. In the latter part of working out, I started to do like some skipping sessions. I really never really liked the running thing. So the skipping was a nice like a substitute sometimes. Sometimes I would run and skip. So after I'm done run, take a little break, skip. And there are times when I couldn't get to run, so then I would have to just substitute it with the skipping. I prefer the skipping, especially when I get all a good little rhythm going. You see me? The mad, but still have my skipping rope. According to the statistics that is out there, the information that is out there, you just need to do 15 minutes of cardio and you're good. So you be the judge of how long you want to run on them things there. A big part of losing weight, in my opinion, is well, not just losing weight, is a big part of doing anything in life, but it's applied to losing weight now, is consistency, determination. You just have to keep working day by day, you see me? And believe me, in a little book, there are, especially when it comes down to the, well, not really, during while I was, well, okay. While I did a workout, there were days when me have no wow days. Those are no workout days. But try to minimize them as much as possible. Sometimes them they kind of bunch up on me, but when me decide to, alright, me now go work out, me still would make sure say me make it up in another area. So I would ensure, alright, me now go work out. I gonna make sure say me get all of the water my body need, when I calculate, you know, the percentage of water that you're supposed to drink, I make sure so my body get all of that. That's a on point. If I know I can't get for run, do a couple of push-ups, do a couple of sit-ups. Of course, you know, did I see the clips them throughout, but I make a little montage play now of the weight going down, and I did a record some little clips and them things. Some weeks me did miss out. Like for the earlier weeks me did miss out because I kind of start take clips and pictures, you know, the latter part. Then my relapse. Dang! Never make it to the 195. And let me tell you why. My anniversary was coming up and then we did leave the island, see? But I tried push feet, but Jano started like, I don't know, we just get lazy. At this current time, I am back on my regular eating habits, but still managing the proportion. Still drinking water. Not drink as much, but I still drink water. Try to choose water at all times over drink. I still want to go to the 195 weight, you know, lose weight and there 195. I want to put on some muscles, grow some muscles, you know what I mean, and get kind of shredded. That's where I really want to go with this. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but hopefully it not take me too long and then we can come back and update, you know, on what's going on. Really I try to like transform my body this year. As my sister, I could have do it last year, I never go as hard, you know? But I test it last year and my sister I can do it. So this year, that is the goal. I try to just get sort out body, you see me? Hopefully I will document it and bring another video to you guys to inspire you, as I hope this one did. I'm hoping not too long. I hope to drop some vlog very soon. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, hit the share button, definitely subscribe. Easy, easy, easy. Look at more, look at more.